Welcome back. So in this video we will talk about the username enumeration technique. So let me first explain you what is the user enumeration. The scope of this test is to verify if it is possible to collect set of valid usernames by intersecting with authentication mechanism of the application. This test will be useful for brute force testing, in which we verify if a given username is valid or not. It is possible to find the corresponding password. Often, a web application reveals when username exists on the system, either as consequence of misconfiguration or a design decision. For example, sometimes when we submit wrong credential, we receive a message that states that either the username is present on the system or provided password is wrong. The information obtained can be used by attacker to gain a list of users on a system. This information can be used to attack the web application. For example, through a brute force or default user or password attack. So let's move on to some practical here. Again, we are using here burp suite. You have to configure your burp suite. I hope you guys know we have to go to options, then set up your 127.0.0.1. Similarly, do it on Mozilla browser. So here we have login page. So at this time I will let's type username as admin and password as a test. When I hit enter, you can see here username admin is incorrect, or let's say the password you have entered for the username admin is incorrect. Now let's change the username to, let's say, Adam, and password is a test. As you can see here, the error is invalid username. It means that the Adam user is not present in the database. So we can apply here user enumeration technique to pick up valid usernames. So let's do it. Open your burp suite here. I will just simply clear this history. Click on the intercept is on, and let's pass the username as admin and let's password as a test. As you can see here, log is admin password. I will go ahead and click the forward, and here we get our message that the password you have entered for username admin is incorrect. Now go to history here. Again we are going to use the intruder here, send to intruder. You can see target. I will just close this in the position. Now here we're gonna use the snipper, so I will just simply clear this cookie setting, and as we are doing the username enumeration, so I will just left the username and other I will get clear these things. So now it's time, attack type is a snipper. Now it's time to load our payload here. You can use the username from your list, or if you have the pro version you can directly load from here. As we are using the free version, we have to load from our hard disk. I will choose the admin here and username. So we have set up here username, loaded our username list. Now it's time to go to the option here, and here just go to clear these things, and I will just type the string here, the password you enter for the username, and hit add. So this is the so let me show you how this is gonna work. When the intruder pass the username as admin, the response you will get the password you have entered the username. The burp suite will check the response, and if the source contains the string, it will return the invalid. So at this stage, so we have set up here everything set up. So let's start the attack here. I will ignore this warning. So if you look at here, on the payload admin we get the pass. You have entered the username, password is the string is present at the time when we pass the admin as a username. Let's take an response from here. You can see here the password entered from username admin, is it correct? Let's take another payload here. Let's take is a Bobby, and if you look at the response here, the response is different, which is the error invalid username. Now it is stated that the username admin is present in the database, and it's just checking the all things. You can see here 21 out of 499 payloads. So it is going, it's still going on at the stage when Burp should find that username, Burp should find that the password you have entered for username in the response. It will just check these things here. So this is how the username enumeration technique work.